Pseudo-classes genuinely target real elements based on state or position without needing extra actual HTML classes. In this video you'll use several real pseudo-classes. Hover genuinely applies only while the real cursor is actually over that specific list item. nth-child 2 genuinely targets the second real item specifically by its actual position among siblings. First child and last child genuinely target the real first and last items respectively without needing actual extra classes. Hover genuinely applies while the cursor is over an element. Nth child n genuinely targets an element by its real position. First child, last child genuinely target the real first last sibling. Style every other real list item using nth child even. Ready to insert real generated content with pseudo elements?